Have you ever wondered why sexual performance often seems to decline as men age, especially after hitting the big 40? Well, it's a common concern, and it's often linked to various factors that come into play as we get older. One of the key issues faced by men over 40 is a decrease in libido. It's a natural process, but can often be distressing, leading to a dip in sexual desire and performance. Another common issue is fatigue. As we age, our energy levels tend to drop, which can directly impact our performance. Coupled with this, mood changes can also become a stumbling block. It's not uncommon to experience mood swings or even bouts of depression, which can impede sexual health. Moreover, age-related hormonal changes can also play a significant role. As men age, testosterone levels gradually decline, and this can lead to a host of sexual health concerns. Remember, these are natural occurrences and absolutely nothing to be ashamed of. But the good news is there are ways to improve your sexual health and performance even after 40. Now let's delve into 5 expert tips that can help you enhance your sexual performance after 40. Tip 1. Maintain a healthy lifestyle. This may seem like a no-brainer, but it's easy to overlook. A healthier lifestyle can lead to improved energy levels, better mood, and yes, even better sexual performance. This means cutting out harmful habits like smoking or excessive alcohol intake, and focusing on positive habits such as staying hydrated and getting enough sunshine. Moving on to tip 2, regular exercise. You don't need to become a gym rat to reap the benefits of physical activity. Incorporating simple exercises into your daily routine can help improve blood flow, boost testosterone levels, and increase stamina. Whether it's a brisk walk in the morning or a yoga class, the key is consistency. Tip 3 is all about a balanced diet. What you put into your body has a significant impact on your sexual health. Consuming a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats can help maintain hormone levels and promote good blood circulation, both of which are essential for sexual performance. Tip 4. Adequate sleep. It's not called beauty sleep for nothing. Getting enough rest is crucial for various aspects of health, including sexual performance. During sleep, your body repairs and rejuvenates itself, keeping you at your best. And finally, tip 5. Regular medical checkups. Regular screenings and checkups are essential for catching any potential health issues early. Discussing sexual health with your doctor may feel uncomfortable, but remember, they're there to help. Early detection and treatment can greatly improve your quality of life. Remember, these tips are not just about improving sexual performance, but also about enhancing overall health and well-being. In conclusion, age is just a number and does not have to dictate your sexual performance. Let's quickly recap those 5 tips. Understanding and navigating hormonal changes, maintaining a healthy lifestyle, incorporating regular exercise, seeking professional help when needed, and not forgetting the importance of mental health. Each one of these can contribute to a healthier, more satisfying life after 40. Don't shy away from embracing these tips. Remember, it's never too late to improve your sexual health and overall well-being. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.